Romans 8 verse 6. For to be carnally minded is death, but to be spiritually minded is life and peace. If your mind is carnal, it is death. Ano pong ibig sabihin natin yan? If our lives is only based on what we see, smell, taste, feel, and hear, pag umikot po ang buhay natin sa mga bagay na yan, at the end of the day, you will manifest death. Ang death po dito, hindi lang yung kamatayan. Yung mamamatay ka, no. Death is everything that comes with the fall of man. Ano po yung mga bagay na yan? Depression, frustration, sickness, poverty, anxiety. Wala kang sense of hope. Wala kang sense of purpose. It is the opposite of everything that the fruit of the Spirit brings with you. You can be a believer, but you are carnally minded. You know how you will know? Fruits won't lie.